Changing decimals to percentage by Lars production of grade 11 ABM2 Malikhain. So before we start tackling this topic, I would like you to know what is decimal and percentage. Decimal is a fraction that is written in the form of dot followed by one or more numbers which represent tens, hundreds, and so on. Percentage. It is a notation based on 100. It is from a Latin word percentum, which means by the hundred or per hundred. So, let's start studying. There are two ways in changing decimal to percentage. 1. By multiplying the decimal to 100. 2. By moving the decimal point 2 times to the right.
We have two steps in the first way of changing decimals to percentage. Step 1. Ignore the decimal point and think that it is a whole number, then multiply decimals to 100. Step 2. After getting the product, move 2 times to the left, then put the percent sign. The second way of changing decimals is easier than the first because you don't need to solve. You just need to move the decimal point 2 times to the right, then put the percent sign. Let's solve. Changing decimals to percentage, multiplying by 100. The given is 2 and 45 hundredths times 100. So, the answer is 24,500. Move the decimal point 2 places to the left. So, the final answer is 245%. The given is So the next given is 55 hundredths. Multiply by 100. So 0 times 5 is 0, 0 times 5 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 5 is 5, and you just have to put a decimal point 2 places to the left. So the final answer is 55%. So the next one is moving the decimal point 2 times to the right. So our given is 1 hundredths. So you just need to move the decimal point 2 times to the right. So 1, 2, and place the decimal point. And change it to percent. So the final answer is 1%. So another one is 6 thousandths. So you just need to move again 2 times to the right. So even though it is a percent, it can still have a decimal point. So the final answer is 0.6%. So the next one is 8 and 9 tenths. So you have to move the decimal point 2 times to the right and just add 0. So the final answer is 890%.